Okay, the next step we're going to do is fit the internal joining blocks into the inside of the garden. And there's 6 of those, one for each corner and one that will fit halfway down on the inside of each face. Now, they're pre-cut for you, and you do require 75mm square drives, which we've put into these ones. The screws are supplied. Now, important to note that if you are going to be putting your garden up against a fence, we would highly recommend at this stage that you don't fit these, because I do suggest that you build the garden in a nice wide open area to start with, and once you're at a certain stage, which I'll show you in one of the videos, you'll be able to actually go and move the garden into its final place, and then you can fit these joining blocks. So as I said, if you're putting it up against a fence or a tree line, we'll do this at a later stage, okay? What we're going to do is lay out 6 of the joining blocks. And I tend to start with the front corner of the garden. We want to set these down about 50mm from the top, and they're going to be covered in soil. So tuck them into the corner. And simply screw them off. One on each corner. And the other ones, again, set down 50mm from the top and put them approximately halfway down the length of the garden. Once you've done that, that's your joining blocks fitted to lock the garden into place.